New Jersey, this is your boy Claudel. I'm super excited to be there with you September the 26th, the 27th, the 28th, and the 29th. We're gonna have 4-day social workshop, guys, for you. Day 1 is gonna be beginner 1, day 2 gonna be beginner 2. If you already took my classes before, you don't have to take day 1 and day 2, but you can come day 3, day 4, because day 3 I'm gonna teach the difference between Kompa and Kizomba. You don't wanna miss it. If you already took my classes before, you don't have to take day 1, day 2. You can only take day 3 and day 4. But if you're a beginner, you never took my class before, yes, you have to take day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. So remember, we don't have ticket for day 4. We only have ticket for only 4 days, 3 days, 2 days, or 1 day, because day 4 is masterclass. Get your ticket. I'm super excited, guys. This is the flyer on the screen. We're gonna be at Quiff Cave Studio.